Hello, friends. As we all know, our world is full of beautiful places, but some of them comes under wonders. Here I will tell you about 7 wonders of world with visuals. But before that, I will tell you about the history of 7 wonders in ancient world. The 7 wonders of the ancient world is first known as the list of most remarkable creation of classical antiquity. Earlier, it was based on guidebooks popular among the Hellenic sightseers. Previously, it includes only works located around the Mediterranean rim and in Mesopotamia. Why number 7 was chosen? It was chosen by Greeks as they believed 7 number represent perfection and plenty. The historian Herodotus and scholar Callimax was created this list of 7 wonders at the Museum of Alexandria. The classic 7 wonders were: first, the Great Pyramid of Giza; second, Colossus of Rhodes; third, Hanging Garden of Babylon; fourth, Lighthouse of Alexandria; fifth, Mausoleum at Halicarnassus; sixth, Statue of Zeus at Olympia; seventh, at last, its Temple of Artemis. In year 2001, an initiative was started by the Swiss corporation to choose the new 7 wonders of world. It was based on selection of 200 existing monuments through online voting. But the Great Pyramid of Giza is the only remaining earlier ancient wonder. It is added as an honorary candidate. Now, modern 7 wonders of world are: first wonder, the Great Wall of China. The Great Wall of China is the collective name of a series of fortification systems. It has built between the 5th century BC and the 16th century. It has built across the historical northern border of China to protect the Chinese Empire from Mongols. It has multiple walls of approx 4,000 miles. It is the longest man-made structure. Several walls were built in phases by different emperors of China. The most well-known sections of the wall were built by the Ming Dynasty, which is between 1368 to 1644. Earlier, this wall was built for defense purpose, but now other purpose of this wall are border control, imposition of duties on goods, regulation or encouragement of transportation. Presently, the defensive system of the Great Wall is generally recognized as one of the most impressive architectural feats in history. Second wonder, Christ the Redeemer, which is in Rio de Janeiro. It is an Art Deco statue of Jesus Christ in Rio, Brazil, which is created by French sculptor Paul Ladowski. It has been looming over Brazil upon Corcovado mountain since 1931. It was created by Heitor da Silva Costa. Construction of this statue was done between 1922 and 1931. This statue is 30 meter, that is 98 feet high, excluding its 8 meter, that is 26 feet pedestal. The arm stretch 28 meters, which is 92 feet wide. The weight of this statue is 635 metric tons. It is located at the peak of the 700 meter, that is 2,300 feet on Corcovado Mountain in the Tijuca Forest National Park, Rio. This statue has become a famous icon for Rio and Brazil. Third wonder, Machu Picchu, Peru. In Quechua Indian language, Machu Picchu means old peak or old mountain. It has made up of more than 150 buildings. Machu Picchu is a 15th century Inca citadel. It is located in southern Peru. It is on a 2,430 meter mountain ridge. This compound contains more than 100 separate flights of stairs. Machu Picchu was built in the classical Inca style with polished dry stone walls. It is the most visited place in Peru. Fourth wonder, Chichen Itza, Mexico. This means the mouth at the well of Itza, and Itza means water magician. This powerful city is a trading center for clothes, slaves, honey, and salt. It has flourished from approximately 800 to 1200. Chichen Itza was a large pre-Columbian city. It was built by Maya people of the Terminal Classic period. Chichen Itza was a major focal point in the northern Maya lowlands. It is one of the most visited sites in Mexico. Chichen Itza was one of the largest Maya cities. Fifth wonder, the Roman Colosseum, Rome. The Colosseum, also known as the Flavian Amphitheatre. It has built between AD 70 and AD 80. It was in use for some 500 years. The elliptical structure sat nearly 50,000 spectators. The Colosseum is situated just east of the Roman Forum. It was built of travertine limestone, tough volcanic rock, and brick-faced concrete. It is an oval amphitheatre in the center of the city of Rome, Italy. It was the largest amphitheatre ever built at that time and held 50,000 to 80,000 spectators. Although it was subsequently ruined because of earthquakes and stone robbers. But this Colosseum is still an iconic symbol of Imperial Rome. Sixth wonder, the Taj Mahal, Agra, India. The Taj Mahal is also known as the crown of palaces. It was built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in the memory of his wife Mumtaz Begum. The Taj Mahal was built between 1632 and 1648. It is the most perfect specimen of Muslim art in India. The Taj Mahal was constructed using material from all over India and Asia. It has multiple pillars in the gallery with beautiful hand art. 22,000 laborers, including painters, artists, and stonecutter, worked to shape the Taj Mahal under the guidance of architect Ustad Ahmed Lahori. Cost estimated at the time to be around 32 million rupees. It is an ivory white marble mausoleum on the southern bank of the river Yamuna in the Indian city of Agra. It is one of the universally admired masterpiece of the world's heritage. Seventh wonder, Petra, Jordan. Petra was the capital of the Nabatean Empire of King Aretas IV. It likely existed in its prime from 9 BC to 40 AD. Petra lies in a basin surrounded by mountains, which form the eastern flank of the Araba Valley that runs from Dead Sea to the Gulf of Aqaba. The area around Petra has been settled from 7000 BC. The members of these civilizations proved to expert in manipulating water technology, constructing intricate tunnels and water chambers. Petra is a symbol of Jordan. Also, it is Jordan's most visited tourist attraction. In this video, I have covered the 7 wonders of world with brief details. If you love my content, then please like, share and subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.